So hey guys, my name is Said once again and welcome to another new video on this channel. Today we are going to discuss more about how to structure your Loom videos when you are outreaching with that particular method, right? So there are a lot of methods in SMMA outreach. It can be emailing, it can be messaging on Facebook, it can be LinkedIn, it can be Loom videos, right? And it can be cold calling as well, right? So generally I don't recommend cold calling that much because it's nowadays is not that much effective, but Loom videos is one of my favorite tactics to get e-commerce clients and other clients in SMMA, because this is a fail proof process and you include a lot of stuff inside that particular video, so the chances of getting a meeting booked is way higher than only sending them a message on social media, right? So we are going to discuss about how to structure your Loom on this video, and if you are ready, then let's start. So point number one is make it a conversational video, right? Don't go too formal, don't go too much into the nitty-gritty details, in the professionalism, right? Make it seems like a chat you are doing with your friend, right? Because that will help people to connect with you on emotional level, on a social level. The vibes will match and they will connect with you, right? So you have to make the video seem like a conversation is going on between you and the person in front of you who will be viewing or hearing that particular video, right? And how you can do that is by simply cracking some jokes, adding some humor in that particular video, and being very having a good smile on your face, and make it casual, man. Don't you do too much professionally, like, hey Mark, I have done an account overview of your video, I would like to share it with you, right? Not like that, right? So your voice should be like, hey Mark, love to see you that you are opening this video and watching it. I have covered some really great points on this video and hope you like it. So this is a friendly tone, not the first one, right? So you have to understand the tone matters a lot. If you're going on a friendly way, on a chat type of way, like you do with your friends, it will be on a higher side, the chances will be to close that client. Point number two is provide a lot of value, right? And the stress was on lot, because I have seen Loom videos which are really talking about their offer from the very next minute after the person opened the video, right? So if you are talking a lot more about your service on the Loom video, this is not good, because you have to understand the point of a Loom video. It is not to close the client, right? It is to get them on a call. So why you are offering or pitching your service on that Loom video? That is ridiculous, right? It won't make you any good, right? So you have to understand the main reason you are doing Loom video is to book a call with your prospect, with your probable client. So the intention should be very clear on the Loom video. It should not be like booking the client or closing the client. It is to get on a meeting, on a sales call, right? So you have to make sure you understand the thing before you actually shoot the Loom video, right? You have to provide a lot of value inside it. Say for example, value in terms of how they can get a better ROAS, or how they can actually improve their landing page or ad quality, maybe copywriting, maybe creative, right? These are the things that we call value. It is not saying your process that we will be doing you this and your sales will boost up to this. This is not the right approach, right? The right approach is something different that you are thinking, and that is by providing a lot of value, right? Obviously you will get time to discuss your offer on the call, so why now, right? So let's move on to the point number three, that is highlighting something that they are not doing, or maybe they are doing wrong, right? So how you can do it? By simply going checking their ads. So if you are an ads agency, you can even go to Facebook ads library. You can check what they are doing right. If they are not, say for example, writing big copies, and you think that writing big copies or long copies actually will help them to increase the sales, so you can state that. Or maybe they are focusing more on the features rather than the benefits on the products ads or copywriting or maybe in the images. They're just focusing on the features their product have, not in the benefits that they will give to their customers. So that is a good point to state on the Loom video, that hey Mark, I just noticed that you guys are talking more and more about your features of the product rather than speaking more about the benefits your customers will get. And generally what happens is, if you convey your benefits of the product to the customer, they actually relate to that, because that is the result they are looking. And if you make them feel that yes, your product can give them the results, they will be more than happy to buy from you, right? So that is the thing you have to do, is to highlight the points they are, number one, either they are not doing right, or maybe they are doing right but they are doing in a less number, right? So you can state that particular thing, you can highlight that particular thing on your Loom video. Point number 4 is, do not show all of your cards in the particular one single Loom video, because don't show all the tips on the Loom video, otherwise they will not come to the sales call, right? You have to understand the major purpose of having the Loom video is to book a sales call with that prospect. And if you are telling every single thing that you know that you can improve about them, then what will happen, eventually they'll lack the motivation, like why should I join the call, right? I know that these are the things to be done, then why should I join the sales call? Instead I can implement this thing on my own, right? So you have to understand that if you say something like, hey, I have these points, and you say point number 1, 2, 3, 4, and then say that I have a couple of more points to discuss with you, right, that may really help you to increase your revenue or your business. So I would like to hop on a sales call, or would you like to hop on a quick sales call? Not like sales call, would you like to hop on a quick call or quick discovery call, or brainstorming call, whatever you say it, right? Let's hop on a quick discovery call, and I'll give you the things, I'll give you the pointers, and whether we work together or not, you can go away with the pointers, with the strategies, and implement them on your way. Either way, it's a win-win situation. So these kind of lines will eventually get them to a point that they will think that okay, and obviously add good points on the video as well, so that they can understand that if you are providing that good points on the video, then how good points will you cover on the sales call, right? That should be the mindset. So don't show all your tips on the Loom video. Have something saved for the sales call as well, that will ignite the excitement inside them to come on the sales call, rather than just go away with your strategies and implement that on their way, right? And let's move on to the last point, that is point number 5. Make the call look like an easy deal. So how is that? Because I've seen that a lot of people overcomplicate that call booking process. They say that we'll be going through this and all this stuff, and the prospect thinks that this call is going to be super long, 1 hour, 2 hour call, and they don't really have that much time, so they say no to you, because they think that your call will take a lot of time of theirs, right? So what instead you have to do is, you have to make sure that the call looks very, very exciting, yet very less time consuming or very easy to attend, right? So instead of saying a 1 hour call, or instead of giving a lot of details about what you are going to do on a call, just ask simply that, hey, would you be available in the next week to sit up on a quick call, or jump on a quick call, or maybe a 15-20 minutes or 30 minutes quick call. 30 minutes even is in the range of small calls, not more than that, right? So if you think that your call is going to take even more than 30 minutes, that is okay. If on the call, understand this thing, if on the call you are giving real good value and they are enjoying it, they are thinking that yes, this is the thing that we are looking for, then doesn't matter you are going 45 minutes, you are going 1 hour, 2 hour, it doesn't matter, right? Because they will eventually be ready with working with you, because you are giving the right thing, right? You're giving what they wanted, right? So you have to understand that thing, and that's why you have to make the call look very easy. Hey, just let's hop on a quick call this week, anytime you're free, or let's hop on a quick 20-minute call where I can share the strategies, right? So quick word, these kind of words will make the call look easy, right? Quick call, that is, they can understand that the call is not going to be long enough, right? So they can save their time, or they will not get their time wasted, right? So these are the few points you have to take care, right, while you are structuring sharing your Loom outreach. That's it for this video, guys. If you like this video, just give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel below, because I upload this kind of client getting videos every single week. So yeah, that's it for this video, guys. Bye bye, take care.